Avanti Feeds is one of India's leading aquaculture companies, primarily operating in shrimp feed manufacturing and shrimp exports. It's a niche business, but highly profitable when the cycle turns favorable. Over the last few quarters, the company has shown a clear rise in sales and net profit. This growth is mainly driven by improving global shrimp demand and especially from markets like the US and China, along with better export realizations and stable input costs. Because of this, the company has been able to expand its margins. Now, if we go to the ratios, you can see that it has been able to expand its net profit margin and it has a good operating margin of around 11%. We also can see that it has a very good return on capital employed of around 24%. But coming to the liquidity and debt ratios is where this company really stands out. We can see that it is virtually debt-free over here, and it has a very good liquidity and it has a very good current and quick ratio, and also a very high interest coverage ratio. All of this indicates that the company is of an extremely good financial position considering it is not at all highly leveraged or leveraged at all. Now coming to the technicals part. We can see here that around 1177 is where the key demand zones are. This is supported by this sharp volume in buying the stock over here. Now we can also see that this is the key supply zones over here, which are not as strong as the demand, meaning that people are very bullish on this stock. So I'm taking this 1173 as the support and 1488 as the resistance. You can see here that the stock is on the verge of a breakout and also the moving average is below the price over here. So I am concluding from this as that the stock is going to break out. So how do you execute this trade? You can do this by creating a GTT order over here. I can make a buy GTT order over here and buy how many ever quantities I want. Now you can also set the stop loss. Now how do you do that? I will be setting the stop loss around here and create a GTT over there. So go to sell OCO and here you can set the stop loss. I will be taking the stop loss around 1110. Now setting the target. When would you want to be selling this stock? Since the stock is already at an all-time high, I want to hold the stock and I think it will go up to 1620 levels or even more. So I can set that over here as well. And once again, you can do this for how many ever quantities you want. Click on Create GTT and this is how you execute the trade. Now please keep in mind this isn't financial advice, so please trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please follow for more such tips like this. Thank you.